Good morning, 8th class students. Today we will learn the biology of reproduction. In the previous video, you have learned the definition of reproduction. Here we will have the same thing. Now go and learn the summary point. The first point is in lower animal, sexual reproduction occurs by binary fission, budding, fragmentation, and regeneration. This is what I marked. Reproduction is divided into sexual and asexual, and asexual is again marked into 1, 2, 3, 4 binary fission, budding, fragmentation, and regeneration. Because you know the definition of reproduction, it is very simple. Production of its own. That is what you have learned in the lower class. But now you learn reproduction means production of its own species. Add the word species. That much is enough. In the previous video also you have learned male and female reproductive system. So you have drawn the flow chart of male and female reproductive system and the table also given. Now through this concept map you take and note down. Here an important thing is I added UGO for both male and female reproductive system. This is higher class version. When you go to 10th class, you will learn like this. So keep these things in your mind. Come back to the summary. Point number 2 and 3 are connecting sentences. Use the pause command and note down. 2 and 3. 2 says advanced animals includes human being reproduce sexually. Then the definition of fertilization. You write fertilization means the fusion of male and female gametes. In case of human being, it is internal fertilization. Then point number 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are important. You just to note down, use the pause command and learn it. As the video moves, you note down. Then in this lesson, you are going to learn one table that talks about changes in boys and girls during pregnancy. This table you note down and collect the 3 points. You always use pause command and note it down. There won't be any difficulty to note it. Once you have taken this point, it's a part of introduction how boys and girls become adult. That is why this biological process is indicated. And the same things also you can learn through these definitions. And that is why it is given in the form of keywords or definitions. This 5 definition also forms part of match the following. You note down the definition. It's simplest: puberty, onset of sexual maturity, that is beginning. Then menstruation. Then this you take discharge of blood along with the broken lining of uterine tissues in females. This you call discharge. Ovulation, release of ovule. Pregnancy, the time between fertilization and birth. It is calculated in the form of 40 weeks or 40 into 7, 280 days. And the last one is regeneration. This is also applicable and it is a part of asexual reproduction, and that is why it is introduced in this lesson. You write down regeneration means the ability of living organisms to form its last portion of the body. The example is starfish. Even if the one arm comes out, it regenerates and forms the full animal. That is why it is a capacity or the ability. It is found in lower organisms. You will remember and you will learn it. Stay home and study well. In the next video, it is going to be live. So you get connected and study well. So thanks for watching. Bye.